Be hungry for excellence. When the alarm goes off, that's not just your cue to wake up. It's your call to rise up. The day doesn't owe you anything. You have to earn it. Excellence doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who want it more. Be hungry for it. Not just to be good enough, but to be undeniably great. Every small choice, getting up when it's hard, giving more when you're tired, focusing when others drift. That's where excellence is built. You don't chase perfection. You chase progress, precision, and pride in your craft. Be relentless. Be disciplined. Be the one who shows up hungry, because hunger fuels greatness. So get up. Today's another shot to prove that your best is still getting better.